So guys, this is what it's like to walk down the streets of Okinawa these days. And just want to take a walk. It's finally nice outside. It was hot all day. So I'm just gonna record the sights and the sounds and stuff that I see. And yeah, just for you guys. So this street is 75, it looks like it says right up there. And this street is very, very long. This is the street that passes by Rycom Mall and Gate 2, actually, the main road on the Gate 2 intersection, Gate 2 Street and the main intersection. This is that street. And we're north of that. And it goes all the way down, pretty far down into Okinawa. It's a really long road. Here's some vending machines. That's a cigarette vending machine. And these are, of course, drink vending machines, but these particular ones are 100 yen. So you can see everything in here is 100 yen. Maybe a little more, a little less, all 100 yen. So these are like the cheap drinks, not necessarily name brand stuff. Sounds very Chinese. Might be a Chinese restaurant. Yes, it is. Machine. This one's from Suntory. It's Boss Coffee. So if you guys missed Boss Coffee or liked Boss Coffee when you were here, here's the vending machine and here's the current prices. 110 yen for the small cans. It's 94 cents to 100 yen, so about $1. Yeah, the sun's going down and we're coming up on our first convenience store. This is a pretty interesting area because there's all three main convenience stores. It's a Family Mart, and right on the corner down there, if you can see it, we'll pass it, it's a 7-Eleven. And a Lawson's is just like right there on this street. It's where you can get your motorbikes and mopeds. They look all like motorcycles though. There's the 7-Eleven. And here's the prices of cars. They're really cheap. So this is $2,900, $3,900, $4,200, $3,000, $3,400. You see, cars here are very affordable. There is a lot of taxes, but regardless, with these prices, it's not too bad. I feel like in Okinawa here, the sky always looks really pretty. You could see how nice that sunset is looking. Very nice. See, those cars over there just have a 9, which means they're only $900. So less than 1,000. You could see here, this is Mori, the drugstore. It's a big drugstore here in Okinawa. And we're coming up on some pretty big shopping centers There's a Sane over there, and that's actually sort of a big mall. It's called Main City. And this is right across the street from it. This is another sort of big shopping center mall area. Not as big as Main City, but pretty good size. There's a few stores in there and a karaoke bar and stuff. And here is the Lawson's I was talking about, the third main convenience store in Japan. All three are on this corner. And every house in Okinawa, including this apartment building, has the shisa dogs, shisa inu, on either side to protect the complex or house from evil spirits. So here is this shopping center. Looks like they have a ramen place, which actually they have 2 locations, and that's a really good ramen place. I don't know, I'm not sure. They have a Daiso. Daisos are everywhere. They're like a 100 yen shop or a dollar store. And they have a bookstore, looks like. Karaoke place. Direct, which is, it's like a drugstore slash grocery store thing. So that's that one. You can see the whole thing here. So here is Sane, and another big drugstore here. But this is Main City Sane. It's a very big shopping mall. And here at this dentist, you could see English at its finest. So you could start to hear, there's some brush here. You could hear the crickets or the semis, whatever they are. And you could see these little pillars here on the walkway are shisas. They have the one with the closed mouth and the one with the open mouth to protect pedestrians. So this is another main intersection, and I don't think you could really hear it, but the whistle to cross the street when the light turns green for the pedestrians to cross, I wanted to get that sound, but I think because it's later at night, it's quieter. So I don't know if my phone will be able to pick it up here. Can you hear it? So I believe the street I'm on has a lot of izakayas, which are like bars, or they're more like pubs, I guess, where they actually serve a good amount of food, and it's actually usually pretty good. You know, it's a place where you go and drink and hang out with your buds. It's an izakaya. There's some more izakayas and some karaoke over there. And of course, vending machines, as you can see. And here is a Orion beer store. Actually, I think they have more than just Orion. It's just a alcohol store. You could buy all kinds of alcohol there. Looks to be like a ramen shop here. The aesthetic's pretty neat. It's all just exposed wood. And we're coming up on another convenience store. It's a Lawson. So it's getting dark. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video, but I would really be interested to know if you guys like this sort of thing. I'm planning on doing maybe like a series of sights and sounds of Okinawa, where I just walk around random places and record the sights and the sounds. I want to first know if you guys like me just walking around Okinawa, just so you can see what these random roads are like here. I am planning on making a ASMR channel as well. I've been talking about it for a long time, where it's just hour-long or 2-hour-long footage, professionally done, professionally edited with sights and sounds, and it'll just be a camera, stationary, overlooking a view in Okinawa. And it's just something you could put on in the background for white noise when you're sleeping or when you're studying or working or something like that. So that's why I'm making that channel. Anyway, guys, let me know if you like this sort of thing. I'm getting winded. I'm just talking, the humidity here. Thanks so much for watching again, guys, and I appreciate all you. I will see you in the next video.